We have a roof, y'all.
Woo!
And we don't have a tree in the way.
The tree's gone.
Someone cut it down last night.
Who is that someone?
Guilty. Hey guys, it is the 27th of September today. We got the upper level roof on, a bit lower, level on the front awning's not quite done yet. Apparently it's happening Monday, but we've just come down and found that we've got some plumbing rough-in that's occurred. Looks like, yeah, they've got all that happening up on the level 2 main bathroom ensuite. So we're predicting next week. Finish the roofing off, windows arrive Tuesday, and potentially start our weatherboard cladding on level 1. And yeah, it's all happening.
Down at our local beach after checking out the house. Beautiful. Our new local.
Meeting our site supervisor John. It is the 1st of October and we're just going through the bulk building process with him at the moment, doing a 4-week look ahead with what's happening. We've got our windows in today.
A window that had double glazed or anything like that, you go, whoa!
So roofing is done, it's all on. So yeah, windows happening today, and then we've got the cladding starting on Tuesday next week. All of our beautiful lineal board will go in, and then from there scaffold should go up shortly after, and we'll enclose the home, and then it will be on to the plasterboard phase hopefully in the next 2 weeks.
Today's the 1st of October and we're just visiting the block. Leo's having a big sniff around. And all our windows, most of our windows have gone in today. And all the gardens growing. Look at the moon!
Front, so our living room panels all in there, looks pretty amazing.
So pretty with a Hamptons feature.
Leo's eating sawdust and he's forgotten to follow the site PPE.